those eyes.
Daar is een goede foto.
Okay, we're going on an excursion today, but before that we get at the Breakfast of Champions. Okay, we are now in Dinokeng and we are on our way to Mystic Monkeys. Dinokeng is like this place with lots of game reserves in it. And yes.
Kan jy hom sien?
Ek sien hom.
Word jy af en toe stop, hy wil 'n foto neem. Is die witte?
Okay, we're not in yet, but we can see the lions. They're white.
That's a weird man.
Bokkie bokkie sê vir my.
Okay.
Bokkie bokkie sê vir
Springbok
my.
and then
my bokkie
sables.
kry.
A lot of sables. Sables, swart witpens. Of bruinerige witpens. Kyk hier een by my.
Julle. Reg.
Okay, we're not even in the park yet, but look at these guys. They are huge. Hello, huge tiger. Oh, belly scratches.
Hy hou van kyk hier kom sy brein maai.
Hello. Okay, we are still not inside yet. We're outside the gate. But look at these little guys. Little pygmy hippos. Hello, little pygmy hippo.
Ek dink hierdie een nooit nooit.
Yes, little pygmy hippo. Nee, jy doen nie dit. Okay, so from the outside. Okay, if you want to pause and go through this and see where you fit in on the family chain of primates, then that will work. Travis reading old world monkeys, new world monkeys. Hallo lemers.
Was dit nie 'n speaker wat wou so gemaak het?
This is nice. A little seating area where you can sit and watch the chimps play. Oh, you can't actually see them. There's one at the top.
Nee, ek sien Lala vir raccoon. Papa, ek het 'n raccoon hier.
Ons gaan nou kyk vir hulle.
Ek sien 'n raccoon.
'n Coatie. Okay, so it's not a raccoon. It's a long-nosed raccoon-looking thing.
Hey, wet bananas.
Hallo.
Wat het jy gesien van?
Okay, now we have one of these things there at my parents' place, but this thing is huge. They don't have a plaque or anything on it, but it's like a, I don't know, in Afrikaans we call it a gifplant. Marvelous. Ooh, a black swan. Hallo. Hallo. Red butt.
Kyk hierso. Kyk hierso vir ons.
Any
O, dit word die rossies gesien.
beautiful place. I hear there's kid eating on these. I'm kidding. They are such majestical animals.
Kom ons nog hier.
Kyk so mooi. Kyk sy neklysie.
Hallo Oliamer.
So nekkie.
Byt jou nie?
Hy sal.
Hy sal byt jou.
Ek dink so. Kyk sy lang ore.
Kyk uit en wat oor jou.
Phoenix fox.
Oh, actually, hy eet net grond. Kyk wat eet hy.
Kyk waar lê die ander kleintjie
gras.
voor.
En hy eet mense boet, eet jy.
Okay, this is falling apart, but it's the funniest sign I've seen in a while.
Thank you.
The bears are on special diet. Youngsters are not on the menu. Keep your children away from the fence. Thank you. Don't be eaten by bears. Okay, Asian black bears. I cannot really find a good vantage point to see these guys. This is really a beautiful zoo. Over there we have the big ones. I can't zoom and I don't think I can get closer. We'll see. Okay, the bars are messing up my focus, but these things are huge. Okay. Hello, little monkey. Hello, you huge blue crane. Hello. Hello.
Hallo.
Baby, hy ons speel dit ek moet sê om eers
Hello, Mr. Sexy here.
Wow, this is like a fry. Done. Eat now, or else you're grounded.
Yum, yum, yum.
What do you feed them?
Potato, veggies. We change the diet. Yeah.
Hello. Attack chickens. Hello. Those from Hoovel.
How is
Yeah,
it?
Dave.
Hulle kan die kos aan binne gaan.
Give me
Ja,
some
hulle-
food. I
hulle
want to
kos
get
aan.
in, my man. Let me get some serious food.
Hallo my maatie. Hallo oppa. Hallo oppa. Hallo oppa. Hallo oppa.
Eet jy hom toe?
Those nuts kosietjies vir jou nie.
Hello. Sweet potato.
Hallo die mooiste.
Some grooming. Hello. Hello.
Die van jullie bobbel.
Nee. 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 Okay, hallo Lemer.
Ek love hierdie voetjies. Het hy 'n baba?
Ek weet nie.
Weet ook. Jy het 'n baba.
Hallo Lemer.
Ek sien die olifant.
Scruffy little thing.
Hallo.
Monkey's bite.
Ek kan nie kos kry nie.
Look at their awesomely nice long hair and tails.
Oh, nou die klok.
Cookies ook.
Hallo. 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 Hallo, Flokkie.
Wat denk is dat?
Hallo.
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 Hallo, Mila.
Hallo.
Hallo, Mila. Hallo, Mila.
Hallo.
Hallo, Roland. Sit. Hallo, Roland. Hallo. Hallo, Mila.
Hallo.
Alright.
Hallo. Hallo.
Koffietje op.
Hallo. Hallo. Hallo.
Je was 54 jaar. Wat is
Shop hierdie, laat ek voel.
Okay, sorry you can't really see the toucan, but it's beautiful. And then this monstrosity next to it. Sorry. Crown crane or I don't know what you call that. Wonderful big things. And then the most beautiful parrots ever.
Ons het onder drank betaal. Ek sou my
Lunchtime.
Look, hy byt ons.
Baby lions.
Papa.
Nee. Nee, ja. Kom eens wat hier is.
Sorry. Okay, that jaguar is trying to climb over the other jaguar. But he seems angry. Okay. No, he's not getting off the other one. Okay. Jaguars, the spotted and the black one.
Erger as daai hoenderhande.
Ja.
Mooi.
Ah.
Dis 'n puma.
Puma, named after the shoes. These are all beautiful enclosures and huge. Hello Ryland, ach Reinhard. Okay, and there we have the red giant kangaroo. Two of them doing nothing. Okay, and there right at the top of that tree We have one of those orange hawk bulls that I showed you in a previous video at a previous place. Can you hear it? Oh. Okay, these are, what's it? Ocelots.
I see it's from really funny.
Okay. Leopards. Uh-huh. They look so friendly until they start eating you. Yep.
Wat zijn nou opgewezen? Van kijk voor mij. Goed, mooi. Zwarte luipaard.
These kittens seem angry. Okay, a beautiful Cape vulture. Huge thing. This, oh my goodness. But the fences, there at the back we have a few guys eating something. They're eating what seems to be part of a cow.
Dit is een boomkuik. Tell me what is it for?
A koeibeen. Okay, correction, that's a horse leg that they are enjoying. Again, they look so cute and fuzzy until they eat off your arms. Hello. Again, they have wonderful enclosures, these things. This is a really nice place. Mystic monkeys. There was this horrible, tragic event here a few years ago, but everything seems great again. Okay. There we have these things. Spotted hyena. Thought they would fall for that. Aardwolf. Look at this thing. This is my spirit animal. Okay, and he's doing nothing. Pause and read that. These are quite big things, these spotted hyenas. Look at this guy. And then here we have some of the most terrifying creatures in the world. Miniature donkeys. Hello, little miniature donkeys. And next to them we have these friendly guys.
That's shrimp.
Yes,
Yeah, but what the heck is that?
camels.
That is a big. No, I love it. Oh, I love it. Ja.
Hello, friendly guy.
Maar hierdie donkies is.
Is te pragtig. Ek sê vir Mila, ons kan die fietsen los of wat doen hulle twee huisies.
I love you. I love you. Yes, man.
Huge and scary. But it looks like a big puppy.
Yeah.
Nee.
Let me just get the old guy on the other side. This thing is huge. Huge. It's lying and it's like almost hip high. Those eyes.
Daai was 'n goeie foto.
Oh, we are made to be lunch in a place where these things live outside. Beautiful camps with all of these guys in here. But they are all such wonderful actors. They're definitely not shy, and half of them look like they want to eat me. So I'm pretty sure if it was not for the electric fencing, we would be on the menu. Beautiful. And then over here we have white lions, but look at that one. It looks like it wants to pounce. As soon as they see the kids, they all gear up. Yeah, this one is looking at my daughter, licking her lips.
Kyk hoe mooi hierdie gesig is.
I want it.
Hello.
Alpha.
Run! Hello. This is freaking my daughter out. Okay, there at the back, inside Little House, is one of the biggest ones I've seen, but it's inside the Little House. Okay, I'm not sure if I'm supposed to be here, but I found the back of his cage. This guy is huge. Hello, huge one. Penguins, this way. And over here we have a few flamingos. Okay, and I know you all know this, but flamingos are not pink because of the color of their feathers, but because of the shrimp, brine shrimp or whatnot, the little things they eat in the water turns their feathers pink. Okay, we cannot go into the penguin enclosure, but there's the penguins. And they're making Oh, it's not them, it's the monkeys making noises. Hello, penguins.
Ja, penguin. Hierdie een is 'n wit een, hierdie een is 'n blou een, 'n blou een. En hierdie is 'n wit een.
Jy weet wel ek en pa het iets nodig om ons besig te hou.
Kos julle iets om jou besig te hou?
Ek het 2 wat my besig hou. Ek het nie 'n aapie nodig.
Okay, so we are leaving. This was truly wonderful. If you are ever close to Mystic Monkeys, come have a look.